Currently, the temperature is 31 degrees with snow.
This is Mary Lynn from the Weather Channel, reporting to you outside of Ambler, Pennsylvania, North Wales, Bluebell, and it's snowing to beat the band. And look at how deep it is. It's up way past my ankles. And they're calling for more, and it's starting to get really, really windy, but it's kind of fun.
Yeah, it's a blizzard.
Oh, it is. It definitely is. And the wind's picking up, too.
Yeah. Turnpike's closed, right?
Yes, everything's closed.
Oh, look at that. Your footprints from the last time are gone.
It's my skin's getting full of snow and it's cold.
There we go.
Oh, it's
what?
It's what?
What is today?
Wicked Wednesday.
February 10th.
Yes. It's a snow day.
2010. It is a snow day.
Everything is closed.
I know.
The expressway.
Everything.
The turnpike. Everything
the blue
is
route.
closed.
Everything.
And this is why. Look at this. It's coming down 2 inches an hour, they said. And it's blowing sideways. And look at how windy. This is definitely a blizzard.
It is a blizzard.
And my skin on my ankles is wet. It doesn't feel very good right now.
I can hardly see you.
Yeah, I know. Well, it's okay. Yes. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
You like the snow, though, don't you?
Oh, I love the snow.
Well, this
I
is,
think.
No,
I
so
used
you.
to.
I know. Well, this is
this.
as nice a day as you're gonna have.
Yes, dear.
It's a perfect day.
The girl upstairs doesn't decide to sweep off her balcony and hit me in the head with a snow. Okay, can I come in now?
If you really want to.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, you're getting some snow on you.